Alright guys, I'm going to run this here. Thank you all for getting in. We're going to run my pick one here. Winner picks one bobblehead. We are going to go live 10:42 a.m. We'll go down here to the post. We will type live. We are live 10:42 a.m. 10:42 a.m. We're going to grab our list. 8 spots. Drop list into random, 8 entries. Timmy on top, John on the bottom. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 9. We're going 9 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. Dice shows a 9. Next click wins. Good luck. And number 9. Congrats, Timmy. Spot number 3. You are the winner. Get in touch with me. I will get you your bobblehead. We are done. 10:43 a.m. Go back to the post here. We will type done. We are done. 10:43 a.m. 10:43 a.m.